Amadeus is a global distribution system, so they sell plane tickets, bookings. They are B2B company between airlines and travel agencies. So historically, Amadeus is running a private data center. The data center is too small today for Amadeus, so we have to explore new way to deploy applications. So the cloud helps this.
When Amadeus decided to go to the cloud, the first one was to, of course, install OpenShift, learn about it, how it works. Then another key in the company was to change the observability platform, because we had something super old. It wasn't possible anymore to install this system because we didn't know anymore how to do it. So another step was definitely to change that and to have a cloud-ready observability platform, which was the case with Prometheus.
So we started the exploration of OpenShift with only 4 clusters, so I think, hundreds of nodes combined. Then we ramp up teams to develop their application, so really Amadeus specific application on OpenShift. And to enable this, we had to deploy more and more clusters. And so that's why we put Thanos on top of the Prometheus stack. And then things get way too complicated for scaling, because at Amadeus we are 15,000 developers working on applications. And if we want to, let's say, let every developer having their own OpenShift platform to develop applications, we have to create an end-to-end bootstrap automation. And so with TerraGrunt, we automated the Azure subscription creation, and also the OpenShift installer is automatically integrated into this solution. So we are able, from infrastructure to application, to automatically deploy all the Amadeus middleware and protocols, handling, etc.
Since Amadeus is a really big company that usually push every tools to their limits, having a direct collaboration with Red Hat is super great, because we can ask directly to Red Hat.
The benefits of collaboration between Amadeus and OpenShift is we are running mission critical applications, and if a single thing fails, we try to not impact our customers. So yeah, this is a key topic.